Oh my god, it is finally happened. It is finally happened. Oh my god. Stay tuned and see this new unboxing. This package is so big. And obviously you'll know what is in the title. But we're going to put on widescreen to get this. Oh, it's heavy, it's heavy. GTX 3080 Ti from Gigabyte. Ti. Overclock edition, RGB 2.0. It's only got one wee bit of RGB. I can't believe this. I've been suffering with a GTX 1080 for too long. This apparently is a really good cooler. It's got three display ports, so it's good for my ThemeLogic setup. So I need to bought a 2060 a few months ago because, well, they were in stock, and I was like, should I just get one? But then I discovered it only had like one display port, so I was like, no, thank you. I think I can show you this side. How do you open this thing? It's absolutely huge. I got this from Overclockers. What you get in here? You get some stickers or something. No. I like stickers. It is absolutely fucking massive. Sorry for the swear. Oh, that is huge. This thing is thick and long. Like my arm long. Not my entire arm, obviously, but you know, from my elbow to my probably palm of my hand. Just for comparison, this was my previous one. It's just gonna fit in the Fantex Pro case, to be honest. Wait till you get a grip of this, or a load of this. It literally just fits compared to the old one. So this here has got 3 fans. I believe this is the RGB bit that we were talking about. But yeah, well, yeah, that's to fire it off for the first time. Never, this could explode. I don't know what's going to happen. Nothing might happen. Something might happen. Who knows? Good luck. Goes on. But is something going to appear on one of these screens? Because I can't remember which one I plugged in. We'll find out. Oh, we have! Well, what an absolute day. We got the GTX 3080 Ti set up and it is working superbly. The PC is a wee bit hot, I'm not going to lie. I'm looking to getting different fans for it, but it's not crashed. Updated all the drivers and updated Fortnite because that was the fastest game to download or update, because Call of Duty is going to take hours. And I think I got a new record of like 350 FPS or something like that, or 320. I can't quite remember. It was in the 300s, which I've never had before, and that was on Epic. Most settings Epic, shadows off and whatever. But unbelievable. I've been after one of these. Well, the 3080 Ti's just got launched. It was earlier this year or late last year. Obviously couldn't buy them because the Bitcoiners, the Bitcoin miners and stuff. But I found them on Overclockers, and they had 10 in stock in multiple brands. So this was one of the cheaper ones. But yeah, insane. Anyway, if you did like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Go fly drones, Ian Stewart on YouTube, link in the description, and hit the subscribe button on this channel, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, the usual, and I will see you guys in a week.